This is the news break, and here is our latest news. The government will find ways to revert the school calendar to its old schedule as soon as possible. President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. said it on Wednesday. This was his response when asked for a comment on proposals from some groups to bring back as soon as possible the school vacation from April to May due to the scorching heat. As much as possible, we want to return the old schedule because there's a consensus that the old schedule is better, Marcos said in an ambush interview after the Bagong Pilipinas Town Hall meeting on traffic concerns held in San Juan City. It's not saying we won't do it next year or the year after. We will try to do it in our own opinion, and maybe it will be difficult for us. But until there is a way, we will do it too early and speed up to the return to the normal schedule, he added. The Vice President and Education Secretary, Sara Duterte, had previously said that reverting to the old school calendar cannot be rushed due to the considerations for the rest periods of students and teachers. That is our news break for this hour. I am Joaquin Amiel Ronquillo reporting.